In this video, I'll show you how to upload images to Deepseek. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Deepseek. If you head over to your Deepseek right now, you can see uploading files is unavailable for searching, right? If you want to upload images here on Deepseek, what you're going to do right now, click on this search. Once you have clicked on it, you can see this is now available for you to search, right? So click on it. You upload whatever file you want to upload. I can just upload, let me say I can upload this, right? Click on the open. So you can see it's currently okay. So you can see, okay, I'm gonna still find another one. Let me see, I'll upload this, right? So what this does basically, if you upload the image, it's gonna it's gonna find the text on it, okay, right? So let me see, I'm gonna still do this as well. Okay, this one with HTTP, let me see, test extracted. So I'm gonna still do this as well. I'm gonna check this, right? So you can see right here that this image went through, right? So once I'm done, I'm gonna just click on this. So it's gonna give me, it's gonna share its thoughts on what I just uploaded, right? So you can see what's on the image. The text on the image is the truth, right? So it's gonna it's gonna just share its thoughts on everything that it knows about the truth. So yeah, this is basically how this works. So this is how you can upload images to Deepseek. This is basically an educational video, right? I'm just sharing my thoughts. I want you to know. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I will see you in the very next one.